Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a fantastic day today, and thank you for being here. Over the last year, I have had so many people tell me that they want to do TikTok, they want to do Instagram Reels, they want to be on YouTube, but that they don't feel comfortable talking on camera. So I thought I'd do a quick little video here and give you my 5 top tips for being comfortable talking on camera. By the way, here's a secret. In the beginning, you're going to suck. Yes, you are not going to be any good. Your first videos are going to be horrible. Do it anyway. You need those beginning stages to get good. You're going to have to practice. You're going to have to do it over and over and over again. Even the top people on YouTube, the biggest influencers, were all horrible in the very beginning. So just get used to it. Just accept it. Say, okay, in the beginning, I'm going to suck. That's okay. So, step number 1, be your authentic self. Don't try to be someone you are not. We've all seen those people on camera and they're all happy and peppy and up all the time. If that is not you naturally, don't do it. Just be you. This is really, really, really important and something that a lot of people don't pay attention to. First off, everyone has a tribe out there, a group of people who are like minded, who are just like you, who are going to be your best clients, your best friends. Not everybody is the same. Embrace that. Being real and authentic is what people actually want to see. Nobody wants to see somebody who they think is mucking it up for the camera or is being falsely positive and falsely up. Just be yourself. Now, there are some people who are up and happy all the time. That's great. If that's you, do that. But if you're like me, maybe you're an introvert or you're someone who's a little more low key, just be yourself. What that's going to do is it's going to ensure that the people who will most relate to you are the ones who will find you. That's your tribe. Whether you are just doing videos on your hobbies or whether you're promoting your business, the people you attract to you are the ones that are going to watch your videos and say, you know what, I relate to that person. That person seems natural to me. They seem authentic. They seem believable. So always be yourself on camera. You don't need to be anybody else. Now, obviously, I'm not skinny. I'm not blonde and cute and 22 years old. That's just not me. That's not who I am. So I am being my authentic self because my tribe are people who are middle age and older and people who want to see the real me, not somebody who's young and cute and pretty. I mean, it's so funny. You ever watch those workout videos? You see workout videos on YouTube all the time, and it's how to get toned and how to get a flat stomach. And there's someone who's 19 years old doing them. Well, it's easy when you're 19 years old. It's a whole different story when you're middle aged. So, my tribe is people who are a little bit older, who want to see reality, authenticity, who want no BS. So, that is how I present myself on camera. It's the real me. And if that's not good enough for them, that's fine. They can go elsewhere. But always, always, always be yourself. Number 2, talk to the camera like it's your best friend. You never have any problem speaking to your best friend, right? That's how you want to talk to the camera. Just pretend your best friend is in the room. If you need to, put up a picture right next to your camera with your best friend and just speak to them. Speak like you normally do, very natural. Do not write a script, especially in the beginning. Unless you've got a background with acting, you're not going to remember your whole script. So what's going to happen is you're going to have to write it down. And then you're either going to use a teleprompter app or put it on a screen somewhere where you can read it off. And guess what that's going to do? That's going to have you sitting very stiff and just reading things on a piece of paper like this. Nobody wants to see this. We want you to be natural, okay? So you don't need to write a whole script. Actually, A lot of people use ChatGPT to write their scripts, and it just doesn't come off sounding natural. Number 4 is use bullet points instead of a script. So I know there's several things you want to cover in your videos, and you don't want to leave anything out, of course. But rather than write out an exact script where you're going to sound fake and phony, just put bullet points on a big sheet of paper and bold black marker, and then put that behind the camera. That way, all you have to do is just glance at the bullet points and you won't forget anything. So rather than having a script prepared, and by the way, a lot of people use ChatGPT for scripts, I use ChatGPT for ideas for my video, not for scripts. And so I will come up with the idea. I'll have ChatGPT refine the idea. I will have it give me bullet points if I need that. But then what I'll do is I'll just take a white piece of paper and I'll write each bullet point down in big black marker. And then I'll take those bullet points. In fact, this is what I have done today. I'll take those bullet points and I'll put it on the wall, taped to the wall right behind the camera. So all I have to do is look at the bullet points. That way I hit every point that I want to make, but yet I'm still speaking naturally and I'm not using a script. Number 5. Make a bunch of videos. You want to make at least 10 videos your first week that you try this. Actually, I suggest making 10 videos your very first day. What this is going to do is it's going to get you comfortable talking in front of a camera. It is going to force you to actually make yourself comfortable talking, and it's not going to feel so strange when you're ready to sit down and make a TikTok or YouTube or whatever you're doing. Okay? Remember, guys, we're not curing cancer here. This is just social media. Just relax, practice over and over and over, and start off by trying to do 10 videos in one day. You don't have to post them. They're just for you. They're just so you can get comfortable. A couple other tips for you. You always want to look at the camera, not your screen. Actually, you shouldn't even be using your phone in selfie mode. You should be using the back-facing camera and looking directly at the camera itself. When you use the back-facing camera, number 1, it produces better quality video than in selfie mode. Number 2, in selfie mode, you have a tendency to look at yourself on screen. You're going to make yourself nervous doing that, number 1. Number 2, you're also going to be looking in the wrong place. If you're looking at the screen, notice how my eyes shifted? You're looking in the wrong place. You want to look right at the camera. You always want to take your video in landscape mode, not portrait mode. And there's a really important reason for this. You want to take the video once, just once. Now, you can take this video once in landscape mode, and most modern programs that do editing will allow you to crop it into portrait mode, so then you can use it on TikTok and Instagram and other places. But you always want to take your video in landscape mode so that you're YouTube ready and you can post on YouTube. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and make sure that you click on the bell to automatically notify you of the next video. Hope you're having a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.